In this video, I wanted to answer some questions regarding uploading notes and into your assignment. So, for example, if you're in my 4th period math class, you just go to your dashboard and then you go to classwork. And I created a topic called Remote Learning March/April 2020. You click on that. And then you'll see all the assignments for this week in this one right now. We only have one assignment this week so far, and so here it is. This is Tuesday's work, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. And so for Wednesday and Thursday, I have these videos, this one for Wednesday and this one for Thursday. And you want to watch the video and take notes on the video. And so you could click on it, make it full screen for yourself, watch it, open up your math notebook, take notes, write down everything that Sam is writing down. And then once your notes are ready, you could exit out the video, and then from there you want to take a picture of your notes. I have an iPhone, so I would just take my notes, take a picture of my notes on my iPhone, and then I would airdrop my notes onto my MacBook, and I would open my notes up. Okay. If you don't have a phone or a device that you can take a picture of your notes with, there should be a camera feature on your Chromebooks. So you would open up the camera feature and hold your notes up to your Chromebook, take a picture of your notes that way, and it should save onto your Chromebook. But if you want to do it with an external device, you just use your cell phone, use your mom's cell phone or your dad's cell phone or an iPad or something. Take a picture, send it to your email, and then open up that picture through your email and download it onto your computer somewhere on your desktop or in your documents so you can upload it into your Google Classroom. These are my notes. They came out upside down, so I have this button here to rotate them. Your button probably will look different. Find the button, rotate your notes so they're right side up. The other thing you want to do is adjust the color on your notes so they are visible to your teacher. So mine, the shadows are causing it to be really dark, so I can take away some of the shadows and maybe add some exposure. And then my notes look a lot better now. They're a lot brighter and more visible. They just look better. They look good. Okay, and maybe I could rename them. You can leave it as a JPEG if you want. It doesn't matter. You could call them like notes 3/18 or week of. I'll just call them 3/18. Enter. The item with the same name already exists. Replace. Okay. So now I have my notes, and I have both Wednesdays and Thursdays on one page. Here's my Wednesday ones. Here's my Thursday ones. They're ready to go, so I can exit this out and then click on the assignment because I'm ready to submit. I can click Add or Create, click Google Drive. From there, you want to click Upload. You can select the file from your device. So if your picture is on your desktop, for example, you click on that button and then you click Desktop and find your picture. So for example, if this were the picture, then you would click Choose, and then it would make you upload. Okay, my file is not here. It's in my downloads folder, and I can actually just grab it, drag it, and drop it, and then click Upload. It uploads it for me. If you have two separate pictures, one for Wednesday's notes and one for Thursday's notes, you can click Add or Create again and upload more. And then from there you want to click the Turn In button, and that'll submit your notes.